Honorable moderator, respected judges, and my fellow opponents. Assalamu alaikum. Today I rise to speak in favor of the motion money is everything. Some may call it materialistic, some may deny it out of idealism. Some may say that money is not important. But in reality, every moment of our life depends on money. Foods, clothing, shelter, medicines, treatment all demand money. A poor man with wisdom may starve if he has no money, while a foolish rich man will still survive because he can afford resources. Let's be honest. Can you survive without money? I know the answer will be clear no because you can't buy any necessary goods without money. So, how can you think of enjoying happiness or love? Will you enjoy those after your death? My opponents may say that money makes a person arrogant. But honorable judges, we know that arrogance is a weakness of mind and it doesn't come from money. Most of the cases, money makes people generous. As Bill Gates donated billions of money for improving healthcare and education. Warren Buffett also donated most of his wealth to improve education and healthcare. Moreover, poverty can cause jealousy or frustration, which are also bad traits. My opponents may say that money can't buy happiness or love. But let me ask, can poverty buy happiness? Can hunger or homelessness bring joy? Yes, money can't buy happiness directly, but it can give you the chance to enjoy happiness. My opponents may say that love is more important than money. I agree with them that love is important. But if parents don't have money to feed their children, will love alone fill the stomachs of their children? My opponents may say that money causes divorces. But if a husband doesn't have money to feed her wife, to complete her wife's dream, what do you think? Will the wife remain with her husband? My opponents may say that money cannot ensure one's life. It's true that money can't ensure one's life, but it can give the best chances of a long life. My opponents may give the example of the sleeping prince of Saudi Arabia who lies unconscious despite of his wealth. Let's think carefully. Yes, money can't make a person immortal. But if the Prince of Saudi Arabia didn't have that much money, would he survive that long? Would he survive for 20 years? He was surrounded by the best doctors, best technologies, and world class healthcare. That's why he survived that long. In conclusion, we can say that money is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. In a world where air is sold in bottles for money, so how can we deny the power of money? Money directly or indirectly influences everything in a human's life. So we can say that money is directly or indirectly everything. Thank you.